Hello everyone! Today I'm cooking this super easy and quick recipe of green herbs and lemon chicken. Take 1 bunch of fresh coriander leaves, 1/2 bunch mint leaves, 2 for green chilies and yogurt 1 cup, salt 1/2 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Blend everything. In another pan, add oil 4 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Cook, then add chicken 1 skinless cut in pieces. Cook until chicken turns white, then add the blended mixture. Cook on high flame until bubbles are formed. Then turn the flame low and cover with lid. Add lemon juice 2 tablespoons when the chicken is almost cooked. Turn the flame high when chicken is done. And cook until the water dries up and you get the desired consistency of gravy. My family likes more gravy, but you can dry it all. Please subscribe and like this video and comment if you like it. And want more recipes like this? Thank you.